In my last video, I have discussed about the linear differential equation. Today I am present with a new topic which is known as reducible to linear differential equation. Sometimes the differential equation which is given to us is not present in linear differential equation form. Then how we can solve that equation now we will discuss in this video. Okay, so how to understand that the given equation is reducible to linear differential equation or not? You have to see that the equation of form f dash y dy by dx plus p into f of y is equal to q. If the linear differential equation is present in this form, then we can solve it by reducible to linear differential equation method, where p and q should be function of x only or they may be constants. Okay, so how to solve such type of differential equation? We will take f of y as v, since this is creating problem here. So we will consider f of y as v, and then we will differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Then f dash y dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. Now we will put these values in the equation. This, okay, so after putting this is, now you can see this becomes dv by dx and this becomes pv is equal to q. So now this is reduced into the linear differential equation which is linear in v, because v here is dependent variable. So we can see that this is linear in v, where p and q are functions of x only. Okay, p and q are what? They are functions of x. So now we will discuss one more example to show that how to apply this method. Okay, so here an example is given: x dy by dx plus y log y is equal to xy e raised to power x. Now you can see that this example is not present in the linear differential equation form, so we can reduce it into the linear differential equation form. How? Now we will see this. Okay, so here you can see in the standard form of linear differential equation, here the coefficient of dependent variable is always 1, so we have to remove this. Okay, now we will consider log y as v. Since this is creating problem, if there is only y or some function of x, then we can solve it by linear differential equation method, but this is creating problem here, so I will take log y as v. Okay, so now I'm going to differentiate it with respect to x. So 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. Okay, then I'm going to put it here. Dy by dx is present. Then if I want to find the value of dy by dx, then what it will be? Y into dv upon dx. Let's put it into the given equation. So what we get? X into y into dv by dx, since the value of dy by dx is y into dv by dx here. Okay, plus y into v, since we have assumed log y as v, is equal to xy e raised to power x. Now you can see y is present in each term, so we can take it common and cancel it out. Okay, so x dv by dx plus v is equal to x e raised to power x. Okay, now you can see this is again, now it is not reduced into the differential equation, but yes, if we divide it by x on both sides, then it may be reduced into the linear differential equation standard form. Okay, so I'm going to divide by x on both sides. So dv by dx plus v by x is equal to e raised to power x. Now if you compare it with the standard form, which is dy by dx plus py is equal to q, then you can see here at the place of p 1 upon x is present, and at the place of q e raised to power x is present. So now this got reduced into the linear differential equation form, so we can find the solution of this differential equation by previous method. Okay, so this is LDE in what? The dependent variable is v here. Okay, whose integrating factor e raised to power p dx. Since the independent variable here is x, so I am taking integral with respect to x. Integrating factor is equal to e raised to power 1 by x, since the value of p is 1 by x dx, is equal to e raised to power log x. Now e raised to power log becomes 1, so the integrating factor is simply x. How to write the solution of this differential equation? Hence the solution is the dependent variable here is v. So v into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor dx plus c, integrating constant c. So the value of v, firstly we will write v into integrating factor is what? That is x, is equal to the value of q. What was the value of q? That is e raised to power x here. So e raised to power x into dx plus c. So we get Vx is equal to x e raised to power x. I hope you guys are able to watch it. X e raised to power x dx plus c. Now we will apply. So now we will apply the product of two functions. So what we get? Vx is equal to first function as it is, integration of second function. So that gives me e की power x minus differentiation of first function, that is 1, into e raised to power x dx plus integrating constant c. So what will be the next step? Vx is equal to x e raised to power x minus e raised to power x plus c. Okay, what was the value of v? We have considered v as log y. So log y, x into log y is equal to x e raised to power x minus e raised to power x plus c. So now you can see this was the method to solve a differential equation which is given in the form f of y, f dash y dy by dx plus y into f of y is equal to q. If that is given in this form, so we will try to reduce it into the linear differential equation and then we can solve it. Okay, so this was the method. If you are liking my content, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.